Taking breaks during work or study is important for staying focused and avoiding burnout. But knowing exactly when to take breaks and how long they should be can make a big difference in productivity. First, it's important to listen to your body and mind. When you start feeling tired, distracted, or less productive, that's a sign you need a break. Waiting too long can make you less effective. A common and effective method is the Pomodoro technique. It involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a short break of 5 minutes. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This approach helps keep your mind fresh and focused. Short breaks of 5 minutes are good for stretching, grabbing water, or simply resting your eyes. Avoid checking your phone or getting into another screen during these breaks to truly relax your brain. Longer breaks, about 15 to 30 minutes, are ideal after about 2 hours of continuous work. Use this time to move around, have a healthy snack, or do something enjoyable. This helps recharge your energy and improve creativity. It is also important to schedule your breaks ahead of time. Planning breaks ensures you don't skip them or take them too late. Using alarms or timers can help remind you to stop and rest. Everyone's focus and stamina are different, so feel free to adjust break length and frequency according to what works best for you. Some people may need more frequent breaks, while others can work longer before needing rest. Remember, the goal of breaks is to improve overall productivity and well-being. Working non-stop without breaks can lead to stress, mistakes, and lower quality of work. In summary, take breaks when you feel your attention fading. Use short breaks of 5 minutes after about 25 minutes of work. Take longer breaks of 15 to 30 minutes after 2 hours or 4 short break cycles. Avoid distractions during breaks to rest your mind. Plan breaks ahead of time and stick to the schedule. Adjust breaks as needed to fit your personal rhythm. Managing your breaks well can help you stay energized, focused, and productive throughout the day. Try these tips and notice how much better you feel while working or studying.